cool. So I'm here with Augie. We're mounting back up our diffuser. We took it off last night because we saw some fluid. We had a little leak that we fixed. Somehow the oil filter basically vibrated itself just slightly enough to start seeping oil. So we tightened that back up, threw back on the diffuser, and we're going to get ready to go out. I didn't do any filming yesterday, but we're currently sitting in first in class by 6/10, and we got some sticker tires on today, so hopefully we can go a few seconds faster. I really am trying to get sub 20, but maybe optimistic, we'll see. Craig, what are you trying to do?
Huh?
What are you trying to do today?
Trying to go overall production record here. So,
what is it? What's the record here?
I think it's 118 to 9 or 8 or something.
Okay. I mean, he should be able to do it no problem, honestly. There's no wind right now. He's on some sticker slicks.
And we want some coffee.
Yeah, and some coffee. And then I'm on some 3R. So it should be a good time. 3 more sessions to go and we wrap this up. right, cool. So we just wrapped up our first session of the day. It's already getting hot. We got really one flyer, and after that, kind of the tires were overheated. So we set down a 21 flat. You know, I was trying to get a sub 20, and I felt like I could, but I think it was just way too hot on track. The second hot lap we did was a 22.5. I don't think it's going to get any cooler today. Maybe the last session, and we'll run that. But the midday session we're not going to run. It's just the sun's pounding on the tarmac. It feels nice and cool outside, but when you're sitting in the sun, it's just burning. So we've been starting to deal with an issue where the clutches are slipping on this car, and we were wondering why. And I think we found what's going on. We recently did a trans service on it, but we double checked all the bolts last night, made sure everything was fucking like super tight. And I think it's probably a seal with the trans and the motor or wherever. I'm not really familiar with the trans and motors on this car. You can see there's a bunch of trans fluid on the ground. So yeah, it's very fresh. And I mean, that puddle, I mean, it's still dripping right now. So we're gonna call it. And actually, Frank said he's done too. That's the car that was in second place. He ran a 121.2, so we beat him out by 2/10 actually, not 8/10. So very close. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, there's no point in risking this trans if it's just gonna be like a seal or something, you know. So we'll take it back to the shop, get it all fixed up and everything, and get back out here later this year. Gridlife really knows how to give a good trophy. Honestly, couldn't have done it with all the boys, Augie, AJ, Austin, Will, Roy, Danny, Casey. Thanks again for supporting, coming out, helping out. Playing pit crew, Nos, Nodder, Karar, getting the car ready. Yeah, I mean, 21 flat wasn't really what we had in mind for a goal. Wanted to get that sub 20, but I don't think the temperatures were even there for us to get that time. But to come out with a dub, I mean, really can't complain at all. So we'll wrap up here, enjoy it, and get ready for the next one. Here we're gonna keep stacking them bitches up. Hell yeah.